Hello, everyone. Today I present a selection of espresso machines with a high end espresso coffee to satisfy your demanding taste buds. Prepare to discover innovative and efficient machines that can enjoy a delicious coffee at any time of the day. Let's go. Let's start with the Cecotec machine. Super automatic cream Cecino connected black rose. This super automatic compact machine offers an exceptional coffee experience. With a 19 bar printing pump, a TFT screen, and a Wi Fi connection, you can taste espressos and Americanos in the highest quality. Machine offers automatic cleaning for worry, price €269. Then we go to the Philips Series 2200 espresso machine. With a Panarello milk foam for a perfect foam, this machine offers easy control thanks to the intuitive touchscreen. Coffee without compromise, price $287. Finally, we discover the Philips Series 5400 espresso machine. With its Latgo system for creamy and velvety foam, this machine offers 12 coffee specialties and an intuitive TFT screen for a simplified use. An even stronger coffee. With the inclusive AquaClean filter, you can try up to 5,000 cups without descala. Price $648. This is for our selection of espresso machines with a high-end point. Received. Thank you for watching, and the next for other high-tech comparisons.